Alright, guys. So it's kind of a unusual way to reveal a car.
Introduce a vehicle.
Man's got a bad problem.
What I done put myself in a situation now. I bought a car and then I seen this online and I was like, oh, if only. Fucking, I buy the car and then I see this is still posted for the price it was. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Fuck it.
We're making bad decisions today.
Yeah, I made a bad decision, so like fucking.
We ended up with this hoopty.
Yeah, so
Stay tuned.
problem number one.
So after trying the two things on the code reader that was wrong, which is the crank angle or position sensor. Sorry about that. Fuck. Anyways, check the oil, and that's what happened. We noticed that the car had clogged cats, so I'm assuming the clogged cats caused that to cause a head gasket and a water pump failure.
They cut a big hole in the cats like that, so the exhaust had something to go out of. So it was at least going out of the car. And yeah, I was just like, yeah, okay, yeah. Drove to the store, and then it never started again. Fucking bumper was held together with soldering wire. Fucking, they literally took some wire, some wire rope, and like fucking.
It was a fuck show, man.
But yeah, so basically what I'm trying to say is
this thing's getting ripped apart. So
whole motor.
Yeah.
I ordered gaskets. They're supposed to come today, but I don't have fucking numbers on my house, so they didn't get delivered. So I'm getting them shipped here instead. So
hey guys, so it's been like 10 minutes now. Just got this whole fucking core support shit ripped off, so we can get all this shit out of there.
Yeah. So basically, we'll just remove the radiator, all the lines, get the electrical out the way, all the tubes and hoses, and then go from there. We'll just go from the top of the motor down. Intake off, timing cover off, just all the way down until everything's off. Go from there. So yeah, I'm jumping into it.
Fucking rad.
Boom!
Ow!
It's gone. Now boom! Bang! Look at that. Plenum's off. And just like that, intake's off.
Bang. Now it gets into it. And I didn't see this fucking bitch is crusty.
Bro, there's a little fucking nest in here and shit.
Jesus, that's fucked. That's a whole different type of funky, eh?
Yeah, for real.
But yeah, no, this thing is fucking dirty. So
next up, wire management, valve covers, and then yeah, whatever.
Alright, so quick update. We got all this shit ripped off. We got all these bolts all loosened. Besides this guy. This man's fucking stripped, so we're just gonna weld the nut. And fingers crossed. Hope it works. This man's out of it today. Don't mind him. Glowing. Yeah, now we'll let that cool down, and hopefully we should be able to yeah, get it off. That was a weird ass sound. Alright, so we're just putting the crank on right now. We're gonna check the timing, double check it, see how far everything's off. I fucking murdered my finger trying to do my bathroom, so
This guy just thought he's fucking stabbing himself.
fuck. Anyways, if the doctors, when you're watching this, you guys are awesome. You guys got me in and out quick. I guess I didn't need stitches this time, so that was nice. The liquid bandage worked pretty good. But in the meantime, we're gonna get this set up to TDC, and then we're gonna go from there. See what all needs to be done, and see how the timing's looking. But it's greasy in there.
So bit of a problem.
Yeah, I would say so. So this is what that's supposed to look like.
And this is what I pulled out.
Yeah, and right now the fucking we got the white
It's stuck in here. Like, look.
Oh, we got it.
Oh, baby, look. Oh, that's fucking not good.
Oh my
Soaked in
god.
oil. Oh, that fuck.
Well, I think that would probably fucking say
Good
that's.
thing we got the whole gasket kit right over there.
Yeah, literally. Oh yeah, I
Now need a
guess.
call.
Man's that just showed up right now, so Mans had ordered the full kit. So yeah, I have everything fucking falling down now. Jesus, fuck. I'm useless. But here you go. Here's that socket. But yeah, no. So we're gonna rip down the whole motor essentially. But yeah, I think we figured out what's wrong with this. Is that coil?
One of many culprits, you know.
I guarantee you that water pump not looking too hot either, and those head gaskets. I'm assuming too, because yeah,
Everything, you know.
full rebuild.
It's got 270,000 K, and these things have an average lifespan of 250. So like,
Yeah,
I guarantee
she needs a lot of work.
I guarantee she wasn't maintained.
It does not look like it was at all, but we'll pull the plugs and we'll get back to you. So we just pulled these fucking things. Look at this fucking shit. Like, I'm trying to get this to focus here.
And that wasn't even on the cylinder where the coil.
Yeah, this was right here. This is number one. Well, whatever. One for us right now. That was the middle one.
Just
focusing. Yeah. Fat gap. Nothing left for a spark.
There's no electrode.
Here, you want to take that?
No. She's moist.
Holy fuck. Let me focus in on this. Jesus. Again, no tip. And it's just soaked in fucking oil. Which is actually pretty common with these motors. The rear cylinders seem to get pretty wet.
The fucking jeez.
Oh. Yeah, I'd say that fucking is another reason why it doesn't start.
It's the only oil that's not looking like chocolate milk.
So I think this thing needed more than just a head gasket and a rebuild kit.
Looks like you gotta order some more parts.
Shit. But yeah, we're gonna call it a night there, and then we'll pick this up tomorrow. So YouTube shit, make that magic happen. Hey, we still are here. We ain't going to bed yet.
one thing Lee said, man, it's like, yeah, spark plugs are fine. I mean, like, just staring. It's like, so might as well take these locos off.
I mean, it's just like at this point, all the hard shit's already over. Like, fuck.
It's all just a couple bolts, man. That's it.
Yeah, on God. But yeah, we probably should stop after this, or else we won't wake up tomorrow.
Yeah, I gotta fucking work tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Rough. Ah, fuck.